children. So we'll continue with mensuration part 5 today. Okay, let's take some more examples, some more questions. Number 1. Now area of rhombus is 98 centimeter square. If one diagonal is 14 centimeter, find the other. The rhombus, you have to know the figure. Rhombus means all sides are equal. That's rhombus. If angle is 90 degree, it will be square, otherwise it will be rhombus. And it has two diagonals which intersect at right angles here. Okay. So area of rhombus is equal to 98 centimeter square. If one diagonal, so we can take D1 is equal to 14 centimeter, find the other, means D2 is equal to question mark. Okay, so this is D1 and this is D2. Okay, so area is 98. Now since area is given, so we can write the formula half into D1 into D2. Now you have to remember the formula of area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is what? Half into D1 into D2 is equal to 98, as area of rhombus is 98. So D1 is given, so you can put the value. Half into D1 is 14 into D2, which you have to find, is equal to 98. So 2 will cancel 14 here 7 times. Okay, so 7 into D2 equal to 98. So D2 equal to 98, and then 7 is multiplying here. So when you take it to the other side, you will divide, cross multiplication. So if you divide, you get 7 ones are 7, 8 9 2, 7 fours are 28, 14 centimeter. Okay, so D2 is also 14 centimeter here. Because it's 98, so here D1 is also 14, so 2 will go 7 times here. It is 7 divided by 7 is 14. Okay, so both diagonals are equal. So it is if diagonals are equal, it will be a square. Anyway, so D2 is 14 centimeter. That's the answer. Okay, so you remember the area of rhombus, half into D1 into D2. Now let's take another figure, that's trapezium. Now from the figure, it says from the figure find BC, length BC and area of trapezium, ABCD. Okay, I have written the question short. So if you draw the figure here, this is a trapezium. You know trapezium, it has one pair of sides parallel, remember. Okay, here is given 90 degree. So 4 centimeter here. This is 5 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. Okay, so it's named as A, B, C, D. So this BC, the length is asked, and also what is the area. Okay, so area we can easily find. So let's try to find the length BC first. So BC here, now since the perimeter is not given, so we cannot find using these values. So what we do, we draw perpendicular once again here. Okay, so since this is 5 centimeter here, this is 5 centimeter, totally 8, so this will become 3 centimeter, and this will be a rectangle, so this will be 4 centimeter, opposite sides equal, because both are perpendiculars. So this will be a rectangle, so 4 centimeters. So these two sides are equal. Okay, so these two sides also equal now. So in this triangle now we have, suppose this is E. Okay, so what is given here? Given AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, AD equal to 4 centimeter and CD equal to 8 centimeter. Alright, so now if you draw perpendicular, then therefore CE is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3 centimeter, C is 3 centimeter, okay, and BE is equal to AD equal to 4 centimeter because these two are equal. So now this becomes right angle triangle. So right, therefore in right triangle ACE, right triangle means right angle triangle. So since this is right angle, this is also right angle, so this is hypotenuse. So we get BC square equal to BE square plus CE square using Pythagoras theorem. Because H square equal to P square plus B square, that is the theorem. So BC we have to find out. B is given 4 square, C is given 3 now. We have found actually 3 square. So that is 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9, that is 25. So therefore we have to find BC. BC is root over 25, that is 5 centimeter. Now we know this is the first answer. So BC equal to 5 centimeter. Now next we have to find area of trapezium. So area of trapezium ABCD equal to, you know, half into sum of parallel sides, meaning AB plus CD into height. Height you can take as AD. Height is actually the distance between the two parallel sides. Okay, so if you put the value half into AB, how much we have? AB is 5 plus CD is 8 into AD is 4. That is half into 13 into 4. 5 plus 8, 13. 2 will go here 2 times. So 2 into 13 is 26 centimeter square. So this is the area. Okay, we have to find the length BC, which is 5 centimeter, and we have to find the area of trapezium. Okay, area of trapezium, so that is 26 centimeter square. Okay, so we have seen triangle, you have seen rectangle, you have seen square. Okay, so trapezium, rhombus. Okay, now let's take parallelogram. So question number 4. Now parallelogram means you have to know what kind of figure it is. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and also equal. Then it is a parallelogram. So it says the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is 98 centimeter square. If at one altitude, so if you draw altitude here, this altitude means perpendicular. Altitude is half the corresponding base. Half of corresponding base means this base on which the altitude is drawn. So this altitude is half of this base. So if you suppose base x, then this will be x by 2, or if you suppose x, then it will be 2x, because this is half of base. So if base is 2x, then x will be half of 2x, that will be x. Or you can take x and x by 2 also. So you write, let base equal to 2x, which implies altitude equal to x according to question, because altitude is half of the base. If base is 2x, altitude is half of 2x, that is x. Now area is given, so area equal to it, you know, base into altitude. So 2x into x equal to how much? 98 centimeter square, then base into altitude. This implies x square is equal to 98 by 2, because 2 will divide here, equal to 49. This implies x equal to root over 49. Okay, because here square, when you remove square, you get square root, and square root of 49 is 7. We take positive because x is length. So therefore now base equal to, we have 2x. 2x means 2 into 7 equal to 14 centimeter, and altitude is equal to x, that is 7 centimeter. Now you see Okay, altitude is half of base. Alright, base is 14, altitude is half of that 7. So this is done. Now let's take the last question for today, number 5. So rectangle will take number 5. It says if perimeter of a rectangle is 68 meter. So rectangle means opposite sides equal. Okay, opposite sides equal, and angle must be 90 degrees. Remember this one. If angle is not 90 degrees, it will be a parallelogram. So area, perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 68 meter. Okay, and length of one diagonal is 26 meter. Length of one diagonal is 26 meter. Okay, so find its area. Okay, so number 3 also left anyway. So diagonal is 26 and perimeter is 68. Okay, so we suppose here length and breadth, because we have to find the area. So suppose length is L and breadth is B, suppose. Okay, so it is a right angle here. So now what we can find out is, therefore this using Pythagoras theorem, A square plus B square equal to 26. Question number 1. Okay, and P equal to 68 implies 2 into L plus B. This is the formula of perimeter, equal to 68. Okay, this implies L plus B equal to 68 by 2, because 2 will divide, that is 34. This implies breadth equal to 34 minus 11. Question number 2. Now we will put the value of this B in 1. So therefore from 1 we put the value B, remember. So L square plus B is 34 minus L whole square is equal to, we have 26 square, 26 square, because L square plus B square equal to square. Okay, so if you simplify, L square plus 34 square, 34 into 34, 4 4s are 16, 4s are 12, 13. So 3 4s are 12, is a 9, 10. So 6, 5, 1, 1. So it is 1, 1, 5, 6 minus 2AB. 2 into 34 into L plus L square equal to 26 square. 26 into 26, 6 is a 36, 6 2 is a 12, 14, 15. So 2 6 are 12, 2 is a 4, 5. So 6, 7, 6. So 6, 7, 6. Okay. Now this will give you L square plus L square will be 2L square minus here 2 into 34 will be 68L. Okay, plus 1156 minus 676 equal to 0, because here square it become quadratic, so we have to keep 0 in the RHS. So 2L square minus 68L plus, if you subtract, 6 minus 6 will be 0, and here, okay, 15 minus 7 is 8, so here 10 is 4, 480 equal to 0. Okay, so if you divide, because 2 is common here, so if you divide by 2, you get L square minus 34L plus will be 240 equal to 0, because if you divide 480 by 2, you get 240. Now we will factorize this one. So 240, if you factorize, we have to get some difference. 34, 2 will go 120, will not give you 34. 2 will go 60 and 4 will not give you 34. 2 will go 30. 30 and 8 will not give you 34. 2 will go 15. So 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16 and 15 will not give you 34. So 3 into 5. So if you make the group here. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20, and 3 4s are 12. 20 and 12 will be 32. So 5 2s are 10 here, 8 24, 10 and 24. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 and 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 15, 8 and 10. Here 5 2s are 10 and 24. So 24 and 10 will give you 34. Okay, so L square minus 24L, okay, plus 10L plus 240 equal to 0, because your sign of the bigger term should be minus only. So here it should be plus, because it should be minus here, so that you get 34, because 24 plus 10 will be 34. So sign must be same. Okay. So if you take LCM, common L, you get L minus 24 minus 10. If you take common, you get L minus 24 equal to 0. So this will give you L minus 24 common. So you get L minus 10 equal to 0. So this will give you L minus 24 equal to 0 or L minus 10 equal to 0. This will give you L equal to 24 or L equal to 10. Okay, so here diagonal is 26. So now let's find out breadth. Okay, so therefore from 2, P equal to 34 minus L, that is 34 minus 24 equal to 10, and B equal to 34 minus L equal to 34 minus 10 equal to 24. So here when this is when L equal to 24, and this is when L equal to 10. So you know, when length is 24, breadth is 10. When length is 10, breadth is 24. Normal length is more than breadth, so we take, so therefore L equal to 24 and B equal to 10 we take. Okay, so now we have to find the area. So therefore area is L into B, that is 24 into 10, that is 240 and meter square. So this is the answer. Okay.